Dear learners, welcome to today's session. So I thanks to all of you, all the learners for the BSOC 101. It's a honors paper. So all are the fresh student January 20. So I welcome to our academic counselor Dr. Sucharita Misra and wish you happy Rakhi to all of you. And I know all of you. I mean, it's a holiday. I mean, whatever the things you would join, I'm really thankful to you. And if you know any of your friends who would not join, please kindly tell them so they should join in more number. So you all are comfortable in English, Oriya. Which language? Students, which language you are comfortable?
Both.
Both language. Fine. It's all right. I mean, so the I will brief you, ma'am. Just I will brief you. I will take few minutes. I mean about IGNO because they are the new students. So I don't know they will join for the induction or not. Dear learners, I mean your is a CBCS system. Now the new pattern. So your is a semester system, but this time onwards, maybe I mean for the first time you will go for the annual. Then next year onwards your semester will start. So I will just tell you two three things. In the Indira Gandhi National Open University is established on 1985. The in the Special Parliament Act. So it is a government institution. The Minister of HRD. So now it is the Education Ministry is coming under this ministry. So don't worry about the certification or about the it's a government or private. So that's not an issue at all. And next point I'm telling you about the study material. Before coming to counseling classes, please go through with your study material and read, then you come for class, then it is really useful because it is a 6 credit course. Okay, so you are giving only 6 class. So basically every Sunday is happened to be the class, but now due to the pandemic, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ जो कोरोना pandemic जोगु आमे Sunday class न करी everyday करूचु. In one go you have to complete your class. So your session will start in January and you are going to appear your exams in the month of December. Okay, so 2020 December will appear your examination. So before to that, you have to fill up your form in the month of September. The examination form fill up date is September 1st to September 30th. Okay, so you have to fill up your form. So based on that, and before fill up your form, you have to submit your assignment. You have to download your assignment question. Okay, then you have to submit your assignment. So I will tell you how to write an assignment. You have to take a A4 size paper. So you have to give a left margin, right margin. On the right margin, you have to not write anything. Only front side you have to write. Back of that A4 side you have to not write anything. Only one side you will write. Then you will write your answer, and front you have to put your question. Okay. Then made a cover page. The cover page you have to write enrollment number, course code, program code, study center code, name. This much. Okay. Then I do you have all of you got the study material, and those are not got the study material due to the pandemic, maybe it's a block. I mean, office is closed. Subsequent day will get your material, and I have already sent everybody to the soft copy to your mail ID. So you check your mail ID. I had sent it as soft copy to all of you. So another things, your registration part. When your first year, I mean, if it's January, then again you have to go for the second year re-registration. It starts from September. Okay, it will continue for a month or a 1 month 15 days. Okay, so I don't want to take much time. So if you have any doubt, any query, then you can ask me. So ma'am is there. I just well, I mean once again welcome to Suchita ma'am. So ma'am will start presentation regarding your subject PSOC 101 block 1. Okay. So maybe ma'am will cover in 2 or 3 minutes. So it's up to time and ma'am it's up to ma'am. So once again, and I told everybody to write your enrollment number, name in the chat box. Okay. And kindly put your mic in the mute mode. After ma'am presentation over, you can unmute your mic and ask the question. So welcome you, ma'am, on today's session. I hand over the session to ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Very good evening to all the learners. I welcome you all to this new honors subject, honors stream of sociology. And here we will learn the BSOC 101. And in 101, we have three blocks. And in between three blocks, we have to cover 14 units. In our today's session, I will cover the two units of block one. That is, first unit is thinking sociology, and second one is development of social. So I will cover two units today. So first, before I start, please, can everyone mute your mic, please? Everyone, kindly mute your mic.
Mute or unmute?
Mute your mic.
Thank you.
Yeah. So in my first unit, we will discuss how we see the things through the sociological angle. As the first unit is denoted as thinking sociologically. So first of all, we have to see how the things through sociological angle, and in this regard, we will focus the contribution of two prominent sociologists, that is Zygmunt Bauman and C. Wright Mill. ଆମେ ଏଠି ଦିଟା sociologist ବା ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କର ଦିଟା social thinkers ଙ୍କ କଥା ଆମେ ଏଠି discuss କରିବା in this unit, that is Zygmunt Bauman and C. Wright Mill. So to why we study about them, because we have to know the understanding or their perspective of sociological angle. ତାଙ୍କର perspective ହିସାବରେ sociology ଟାକୁ ସେମାନେ କୋଉ way ରେ ଆମ ପାଖରେ represent କରିଛନ୍ତି, and how we see the things through the sociological angle. ଆମେ କେମିତି sociological angle ରୁ ଗୋଟେ society କୁ study up କରିବା ପାଇଁ କି ଦେଖିବା. So first unit ଟା ସେଇ ଜିନିଷକୁ ହିଁ deal କରୁଛି. So we will focus also various concepts of sociology in our everyday life, and how we observe, interpret, and validate sociological perspectives through sociological methods. ଆମେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ sociological methods ଦେଇକି ବା ବିଭିନ୍ନ techniques, tools ହିସାବରେ ଆମେ observe କରିବା, we will also interpret, and we will also validate the sociological perspectives. That is in between your first unit. Uh, so in our first unit, before I start what is thinking sociologically, we have some little bit knowledge regarding what is sociology. Sociology कहले हमें कौन बुझिबा? So generally, sociology is the science of society, and आमे जहाँ को कहूँ, it is the study of society. Then question comes, what is society? Now society generally denotes to the web of social relationship. When we study the social relationships, social actions, social interactions, social interdependence, all those things covers in between the study of sociology. So ame ethi dekhiba je we have to understand what is meant as a sociological perspective. ame perspective kahaku kahuchu বা sociological angle रो जो study टा sociological perspectives काहाकू denote करूची. Generally, perspectives means a particular attitude towards something or a point of view. आमे जो देखिबा perspectives काहाकू कहूची ना, it is a particular attitude towards something or a point of view, or we can say to look thorough understanding, or something to do with looking. ता माने आमे किछि ଭଲ ଭାବରେ thoroughly ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ analyze କରିବା, what we see, ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛୁ, what we observe, that should be in a sociological angle ରୁ ଆମେ ତାକୁ study up କରିବା. So and we observe and interpret the realities of everyday life. We will not only focus the societal, will not only focused upon social groups and social institutions. We will focus on everyday life of society. For us, this is our main concern of study here. various scholars have given various opinions. आमे जानिछु जेते scholars अछंती undoubtedly तांकर opinion भी differ करिवो, तांकर perspective भी differ करिवो. So एठी आमे देखिबा there are various opinions about the way sociological perspectives which shapes our understanding of how social relations are formed and perpetuated. सोशल रिलेशंस टा केमिति फॉर्म होची केमिति परपेचुएटेड होची से सबु जिंस गुडा को हमें सोशियोलॉजिकल पर्सपेक्टिव रे जो स्टडी करिवार जो व्यू पॉइंट गुडा रहिची ताकू विभिन्न स्कॉलर माने विभिन्न मत भाबरे ही आम पाखरे ताकू देखैचंती बा पहुंचैचंती सो माने प्रथम रु मु जेमति कहिची स्कॉलर्स लाइक जिगमंड बमन व्यू तांकर व्यू टा हमें प्रथमे देखिबा जिगमंड बमन को हिसाब रे he views power as the key driver of social relationship. Social relationship रो key driver किए ना power ही justify करे power ही determine करूची our social relationship according to Zygmunt Bauman. So he said that the various human categories and actions performed by them, what is otherwise understood as status and role in society, is informed by values that are both created and maintained by those who have power and resources to propagate these values. तामाने आमे एठी कोन देखुछु ना the meanings acquired by objects and things are informed by these power hierarchies. We will focus on the different power hierarchies. Power hierarchies हिसाब रे बा power को नेकी केमती social relationship टा को justify करा जाउची. That is the main motto of the Zygmunt Bauman. Then another pioneer or another sociologist here is C.W. Mills. C. Wrights Mill. से तांको हिसाब रे he studied American society. C.W. Mills studied the American society and shown the society as a self-contained. He shows how values and history shape our view. से आम पाखरे गोटे जिनस देखा चाहते that how values and historical ideologies or histories shape our own perspective but shape our views regarding the society. So according to Mill, each society has its own way of imagining itself. प्रत्येक society रा निर्दिष्ट माने एका प्रकार imagination न थाए. Each society has its own way of imagination, the imagining the things. As he studied the American society, so he focused upon the American things of themselves as the world yet that they also change under the impact of sudden social changes. The sociological imagination helps in contextualizing historical aspects and gives meaning to the internal and external attributes of individual, how individuals' daily experiences attributes a false consciousness of their social standing. So generally, C.W. Mills focused upon the social imagination perspective. He focused on the social imagination perspectives of society. Social imagination perspective taku se ethi ama pakhare dekheichandi, and he showed that it shaped through long historical process that creates certain kinds of values and that then get embedded in the collective consciousness. जते बेले हमें सोसाइटी देखिलु इमेजिनेशन बा पर्सपेक्टिव डिफरेंट आसुची, डिफरेंट वे ऑफ हमें प्रथम देखुचु जे देयर आर इमेजिनिंग द सोसाइटी इन अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. हमें विभिन्न प्रकार पर्सपेक्टिव को नै कि स्टडी अप करबा. हियर द वन थिंग इज कॉमन, गोटिए जिंस कॉमन रहइबा, दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियसनेस. वी शुड फोकस ऑन द कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियसनेस. So in these two scholars, Zygmunt Bauman and C.W. Mills, these two scholars can be viewed as examples of how a sociological perspective is in itself subject to a variety of scholarly understanding. तामाने सी आम पाखरे देखौचंती सोसाइटल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ता तांकर पर्सपेक्टिव रु को वे रे समाने ताको अंडरस्टैंड करिचंती हाउ द how it looks as a sociological perspective. He is not showing it on a different perspective like historical perspective, biological perspective, not like that. He was focusing upon the sociological perspective. There is no one marked way of saying that this is a sociological perspective, because some people think Bauman may emphasize the role played by power is shaping the understanding of how people shape their cognition of what constitutes relationship and social positions. तामाने role, status, power, position, these things matters a lot to understand the different opinions of society or different perspectives of society. Others like Mills may took towards the historical shaping of cognition, where values about society and its relationships are shaped by history and the development of a socially constructed imagination. So Mill एठी आम पाखरे गोटे socially constructed imagination टाको आम पाखरे पहुंचौचंदी. Thus, while Bauman is grounded in empirical reality, Bauman generally focused upon empirical reality. Then what here the question comes, what is empirical reality? Na dekho, empirical reality कहले हमें बुझुचु when we studied the society in a scientific way. That means we have some truth, evidence, we have some materials which are verified, tested. We should that is the basis of empirical reality. So Bauman is grounded in empirical reality, while Mill is more abstract in his reasoning. Then second, coming to our next point, that next point is denoted as sociological methods. What is sociological methods? देखो, आमे जो sociology को different दी जन Bauman हुअन्तु बा C.W. Mills हुअन्तु जे आम पाखरे sociologically thinking टा कौन पहुँचौचंती with their own viewpoint, own perspective रे, they must have used some methods, because आमे जानिचु without methods, without technologies, without tools and techniques, we can't develop a sociological imagination. हाँ कि नहीं, गोटे sociological imagination को हमें first of all find out करिबा पय हेले we have to use some sociological methods. So here we will study what are the methods used by Mills and Bauman. So Mills' concept of abstracted empiricism posits that empirical studies mostly follow a set pattern of collecting data with conventional styles of collecting them, which they are codified. तामाने this is a much accepted style. So Mill करो concept टा को बा method टा को हमें collecting data टा को भलिया method थिला ना conventional style of collecting data. So what is conventional style? Now this is the much accepted style. Conventional style टा होची much accepted style which is ritualistically adopted. तामाने ritually it adopted हेतिबा दरकार by almost everyone. That doesn't mean that the style which is accepted by some sections of the society and which is not accepted by others. माने किछि लोकन को द्वारा एटा accept होतबो, किछि लोकन को द्वारा हबनी, सेटा को एठी accepted करा जाई परिबो नाही. काहा को हम एठी accept करूछु ना, while the accepted style which is ritualistically adopted by almost everyone, समस्तଙ୍କ द्वारा एटा accepted हेतिबा दरकार. The set rules of collecting data, then analyzing data, then codifying the data, then scaling the data, and above all the manner in which the data are manipulated is done in an unquestioningly set pattern. Right now I will give one example. For example, most studies involving the collection and analysis of public opinion look into the aspect of how public opinion are mapped and collected as data, but they ignore the process of getting the data or the process by which public opinion is formed. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦେଖबिଲେ ଗୋଟେ public opinion data ଟାକୁ ଆମେ cover up କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ, we will only focus on the mapping and collection of the data. We will always focus on the how we map the data, how we collect the data, but sometimes we ignore the process of getting the data or process by which public opinion is formed. को where public opinion टा formed ହେଇଛି ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆମେ collect କରିବା ପାଇଁ miss କରି ଯାଉଛୁ. So there is also an effort to mislead what is to be studied in the whole game of methods. जदि आम से गोटे जिनस मिस कलु तामाने एटा होल स्टडी ऑफ मेथड्स टा बा होल स्टडी टा को ही मिसलीड करिवो जदि से जिनसटा को हम ठीक भाबरे फॉर्म न करि परथिबा बा ठीक भाबरे स्टडी न करा जायतिबो. So however, Mill's work is limited by being confined to the United States only. So Mill tankara kebala American society upare se study up karithile, so he is confined to the United States study only. Se khali American society upare hi tankara perspective ta ko eti confined karichandi. Then again his work attributes a certain character to the public that may be true only for America and remains western centric. So tankara study ta generally western ideas or principle ta ko athika focus karuchi. Certain key problems like class consciousness, false consciousness, conception of status of class or have not been translated. Ta mane ette sabu jinsa eguda sabu generally generalizing the issues rather than looking into the specific areas of studies. Tamane sabu issues guda generalizing karibata, it's very the problem of studying ta mane bahut problem of study dekha dala jehetu eta kebala kaha ko focus karutila na generally it is focused only the studies which is denoted as a regional or generalization concept. It is not a specific specialized concerns of study. So these studies of World War II, jodi ame World War II ra studies ko dekhiba, will discuss and describe social processes that do not include the origin and causes. We will not find out what are the origin and causes behind the World War II. So World War II ra reason kona au causes kona taku bhi ame find out kari paru. We will not easily describe these things. So what is important is that in the abstracted empirical style, what is needed to be studied has not been given consideration, and the emphasis has been on method rather than the content of study. So emphasis eti ame kaha ko daba, we should focus on the methodology of study, will not only focus on the content analysis, will not focus on the content analysis of study. Content analysis of study ko ame jodi khali focus kariba, we will bias or ame se study ta mislead kariba boli kuha jauchi. Or without methods of study we can't analyze these things in a proper way. So as its relevance should be studied in a methodological angle. So एठी हमें जो देखिलु को जिनसटा को फाइंड आउट करूछु जे methodology should be focused on how these things are generated, केमिति हेची बा को वे रे हमें ताको एनालिसिस करि परिबा, से सब को हमें फोकस करिबा निहाती भाबरे आवश्यक. So experts in these methods are not only specialist, जो माने expert आम पाखरे एगुडा ए मेथड गुडा को एनालिसिस करिसंती, they are not only the specialist आमे ताको खाली कहिले हबनी, they are not only the specialist in social philosophy, खाली social philosophy रे से माने specialist नुहंती, but also try to further the specialization within the social science through methodological inhabitation, tamane which is in accordance with the institute where this method is put into practice. Tamane se khali specialization ta ko theoretical background ru analysis kariba ku nuhe, we should practice method ta ko be ete focus kara jauchi. Sorry. So thus the empiricism becomes the hallmark of sociology. So what is the hallmark of sociology? Ame tar sociology ko study up karuchu. What is the mane basic thing? Basic thing hochi empirical analysis. But empiricism becomes the hallmark of sociology as compared to philosophy or epistemology. Ame jodi philosophy ko study up kariba, compare kariba, ba epistemology ko compare kariba, apart from them tanku chhadi dele empiricism hochi kahar hallmark na sociological study ra hallmark. Rather than thinking about why things happen, sociology केवल empirical analysis कहले हमें कौन बुझुचु ना एटा केवल कोथे पाई बा कौन तार रीजन अछि जोथे पाई ए जिंस होउची बा प्रॉब्लम अराइज करूची सोसाइटी रे जिंस आसुची सेटा को कहूनी. Why things happen is not the only concern of the empirical study, but sociologists try to focus on what is happening and how it is happening. बुझी पारछो ता माने खाली why upare concern kara jauni. We will also focus on what is happening and how it is happening. Eta kon pai heichi au kipari hoichi. So we will focus on what and how. Sociology uses its expertise to talk about a particular topic by the use of the sociological method and thus converts knowledge into empirical language. This is done by moving from history of institutions and ideas to concentrate behavior of people. It's not easy to calculate or evaluate the behavior of people. Gote behavior study of kariba, gote relationship study of kariba, it's quite difficult and it will not get the 100% result for us. So ame jodi setike aware na haba, it is also difficult to do the to analyze the things. So it is also done in terms of relating the study of other areas. ता माने आमे सब बड़े comparative analysis टा को focus करिवा दरकार. ता माने गोटे area खाली analysis कर देले हबनी बा गोटे angle लो study कले हबनी. We will also focus on the other areas. Another approach is to study certain social situations which are repeated. Gote social situation jodi repeated hochi, and lastly it gives emphasis on contemporary social events. ta mane bujhi parucho sociology kaha ko besi focus karuchi. It will focused upon the social situations which are repeatedly occurring in a society. There are certain situations which are repeatedly occurring in a society, and lastly also giving emphasis on contemporary social events. Contemporary माने modern social events उपरे, modern social issues गुडा उपरे भी हमको वर्तमान nowadays issues उपरे भी analysis किए करि परिबार सक्षम होइछि, and how we will become very fruitful about the things, because we will uses the sociological methods. बुझियोछि. So thus sociology remains empirical. तमे एठु गोटे जिंस फाइंड आउट करूछु, thinking sociologically angle जदि हमें देखिबा, we should focus that sociology remains empirical, tied to specific situations, and largely it will precluding the generalizations. Abstracted empiricism tries to overcome the issues of too much specificity and lends a more scientific character to sociology. ता माने एटा generalizing issues गुडा अधिक find out करता है rather than the specific issues. Is it clear? Then coming to our next one, that is denoted as a sociology in everyday life. What is the approach of sociology in everyday life? Everyday life रो sociological angle of study को again Mills और Baumar करो हिसाब रे हमें एठी analysis करिबा. First Mill कहउचंदी, Mill का concept of view denoted as that the concept of the promise relates to the trap that people find themselves unable to get rid of life circumstances. सुनो, हमें जदि सोशियोलॉजी को एवरीडे लाइफ रो स्टडी ऑफ करिबा पई चाहिबा, तो स्टडी ऑफ करा जिवो ताहले केमिति करा जिवो, हाउ सोशियोलॉजी इज फाइंड आउट इन आवर एवरीडे लाइफ. तमे जते बेले फाइंड आउट करिवो एवरीडे लाइफ रे प्रति दिनर जदि हमें देखिबा थिंकिंग सोशियोलॉजिकली, दैट मीन्स there is a very good quotation that sociological imagination has no boundaries. ता माने sociological thinking itself has no boundary. We are not confined in a circle. आमे गोटे boundaries भितर निजो को सीमित रखी नाहु. That means our imagination, our relationship, our interactions, our interdependenceness, that doesn't have any boundaries. ता माने हमको गोटे boundaries रे रखा जायनि जे हम एटा एतिकी भितर ही relationship करिबा. That means we will again discuss on different concepts of sociology. Then you will be very clear about the notion how sociology is in everyday life. So by the concept of that means in our ordinary everyday living, which are affected by the circumstances beyond their control but which they fail to comprehend. So एठी हमें देखिबा generally people in rural areas of the world were unable to comprehend the changes that were brought about in their lives. I mean, we are very we are very aware about the fact that rural people are very conservative and they generally hesitate to accept any changes. Sudden changes ko accept karibata semane hesitate karanti. And even if you can take the example of a modern society too. Modern society re whenever we have a sudden change ta ko ame accept karibata everyday life it will take time, ha ki nahi? So in their lives by the world war re jo change guda ase just as in recent times people do not understand how conflict in a remote part of the world may affect their lives. तमें जदि war होची सेटा केमिति अफेक्ट करूची इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ को बुझी परछो आमे से जिंस भीतर एते अवेयर हे पारो नाहु. So meals gave agency to history as it shapes human beings and their destiny. Thus human agency is limited by where we are born. तामर एजेंसी गुडा कहा भीतर सीमित हो रही जाउची ना where we are born कोठी हमें जन्म ग्रहण करछु and what happens outside of our immediate social context. ता माने हमर exact immediate social context भीतर ही हमें निजो को सीमित करके रखुछु. So एठी को जिंस होची thus the sociological imagination is constructed out by historical circumstances and values that are received. जो values हमें receive करूछु जहाँ historical circumstances अच्छी से सब जिंस भीतर ही हम imagination टा को हमें basically माने find out करबा पई चेष्टा करूछु. So thus the Americans remain unaware of how they impact other societies. जेमते कि American माने be unaware अछंती जे सेमानकर impact other society ऊपर कोन पडुची. When people come in touch with other societies, their ability or willingness is conditioned by information as received and not actual circumstances. Thus, the reason is often overridden by values in the sociology of everyday life. Tamane focusing upon the social values in our everyday life. So, it is very essential. So social values is the very essential element of our everyday life, or we can say values is quite important aspect of our everyday life. So the social sciences introduce reason through a comparative method. Social sciences ta reason ko introduce karuchi through a comparative method. The analyst is one who can see the link between the two history and the individual. They enable the individual to understand his or her experiences in that particular period and calculate their chances in life by looking at other individuals in similar circumstances. तामाने हमें अलगा इंडिविजुअल कर सर्कमस्टेंसेस को आखि आगे रखी कि हमको को चांस मिलुची हमें केमिति हमर एक्सपीरियंसेस को माने शेयर करूछु यूटिलाइज करूछु इन द सिमिलर सर्कमस्टेंसेस रे ताको भी एठी एनालिसिस करा जाउची इन आवर एवरीडे लाइफ. सो एंड individuals lives are connected to generations and they have a biography within a historical context. इंडिविजुअल कर लाइफ को थिरे को भीतर कनेक्टेड अछि ना जनरेशंस वाइज हमें जे सोशल वैल्यूज को जनरेशंस को बेसी फोकस करू जो एठी. सो एठी हमें गोटे जिंस को फाइंड आउट करूछु जे सोशियोलॉजिकल पर्सपेक्टिव इज एबल टू सी द वाइडनिंग एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस हिस्टोरिकल लिमिट्स रो वाइडनिंग एस्पेक्ट को बहुत मात्रा रे बा जनरल एस्पेक्ट को हम पाखरे पहुंचेबा पई वी विल वाइडन आवर आउटलुक आवर इमेजिनेशन. वी आर नॉट इन अ नैरो आउटलुक और नैरो इमेजिनेशन भीतर सोशियोलॉजिकल पर्सपेक्टिव को स्टडी अप करा जाउनी. सो सोशियोलॉजिकल पर्सपेक्टिव इज एबल टू सी द वाइडनिंग एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस हिस्टोरिकल लिमिट्स. हिस्ट्री जो जिनसोडा लिमिट हे गितला ताको हमें वाइडन करूछु एनालाइज करूछु. We will not confine मुझे स्टार्टिंग रे तुमको कहले हमें कन्फाइंड हे जाउ हम इमेजिनेशन को गोटे वॉल बा गोटे बाउंड्री भीतर सीमित करके रखिबा फाइन. So there are certain questions that social analysts ask with regard to society, its components and their interrelations, their difference in social order, how the society gets affected by the historical events ताकू भी हम analysis करूँ imagine करूँ the social contexts of the different time periods ro social context को देखु and how men and women are living in this period. The special ability of the sociologists is to connect the personal to the larger context, both historically and the present circumstances. तामाने हमें past को भी study of करूँ we will not ignoring the history, we will not ignoring the past evidences. Past को भी study of करूँ explain it in a historical and also analyzing the present circumstances. So the work of the sociologists is to provide an explanation for the personal, like a particular social issues, जमती कि dowry हैला, गोटे example जो देना बा गोटे social issues रो dowry. So it is a social issue, and it will sociologists will giving special emphasis or particular गोटे निर्दिष्ट issue ऊपर study of करूची, that is to a larger context हमें जल्दी देखिबा historical and circumstantial creates and maintains the same analysis by different sociologists. It should be able to predict the transformation as well. तार भीतर कौन transformation भी आसी ची ताको भी हमें इटे find out करूचु. So the sociology links personal, the structural, and beyond our thinking. This is all about the meals everyday life study हमें इटे पढ़िलु. Then again we will focus on Bauman's study, what Bauman is writing about in our everyday life. So Bauman writes on his concept of oneself with others in everyday life. What is oneself with others? Have you imagined what is oneself with others? That means the experiences of being free or unfree. जदि तमे experience करिबा तमे free और unfree दीटा एंगल हमें study of करिबा are something that we all wish to solve as it continues to remain an enigma up to almost all. तामाने हमें इठी free और unfree aspect रो दीटा aspect रो हमें इठी study of करूचु. The aspect of choices attached to the experience of being free or unfree links ones to the ability to decide. तामाने एटा निजो ability जेउटा कोची oneself with the others in everyday life. It depends on me. I will free. I experience myself as a free or unfree. मु free के unfree निजो को think करिबा पई सेटा depend करूची कहा ऊपर. That is totally depends on the experience gained by me in my everyday life. The experience जहाँ मु gain करिची in my everyday life, it being decided by the ability of myself, individual ability ऊपर ही एटा decide करूची जे मु निजो को free कहबी कि unfree कहूची society रे. So as humans we are always part of a group, and the tension between the individual and the collective is an ongoing sociological concern. So it is an ongoing sociological concern. Tamane it's tamane we are always aware about the groups, we are always aware about the tensions, the conflict between the individual and the collective. Tamane we are very concerned about the facts of conflict ho, tension ho, group relationship ho. आमे समस्ते ए विषय बहुत भाबरे aware अछु बा जानिचु. Everyday life we will be very conscious about those facts. तामाने हमें जदि conscious हेई पारुचु जानुचु ongoing sociological concerns ऊपर we are very conscious those facts. So this is the study of Bauman, the concept oneself with others in everyday life. Then again we will discuss on some sociological concepts. Concepts रे पिले प्रथम concept हमें देखिबा group. अच्छा group कौन? आमे समस्ते जानिचु जे man is a social animal. How man is justifies as a social animal? काहेकि मनीष को काहेकि गोटे सामाजिक प्राणी कहा जाउची काहेकि ना individuals cannot function outside of the group. ग्रुप कहले हमें कौन बुझुछु तमरो प्राइमरी ग्रुप हमें जदि कहबा किए अनडाउटली तमरो फैमिली. सो इंडिविजुअल कैन नॉट फंक्शन आउटसाइड ऑफ द ग्रुप as they are born in one and are a social human. तामाने जो ग्रुप रे से जन्म ग्रहण करूची individual cannot function outside of the group. तमे गोटे group life बिना society रे एकुटिया रही परिबाटा possible नुहे. So the very process of being human is provided by the group. तमको individual रो human जो ये टाको किए हम पाखरे पहुंचौछि ना, that is the provided by the group that gives both identity and means of existence through socialization. कहा माध्यम रे हमें सिखुछु ना, socialization माध्यम रे group life रे हमको गोटे identity मिलुछि. जेमति कि if we take a primary group our family gives us our identity. हम identity आसुछि हम family basis रे, and also means of existence, केमति survive करूछ, केमति exist करूछ, and through which we learn from socialization process. However, the individual also has a degree of discomfort as the group is also restraining. Thus, a social group is both an enabler and a constrainer. All social knowledge is acquired from the group and goes into the formation of the individual with received values and conditions. Eta gala sociological concept of group katha. Second asuchi, what is socialization? Socialization denotes the group socializes the self so as to be capable of living in a society. तमे सोसाइटी रे रहिबा पई तमको सोशलाइज हबा पई पड़िबो, बा समाज रे केमति रहिबा पई होए अकॉर्डिंग टू द सोशल नॉर्म्स एंड वैल्यूज. सोशल नॉर्म्स और वैल्यूज को केमति माननी की रहिबा पई पड़िबो. ए सब जिंस हमें सोशलाइजेशन प्रोसेस रे सिखि थाउ. अगेन जेतबे म तमो सोशलाइजेशन ऊपर कहिबी इन डिटेल तापर तमे जानिबो, किंतु एठी गोटे जिंस जानो, सोशलाइजेशन हेल्प्स द इंडिविजुअल टू कोप अप विथ द प्रेशर्स and behave. Socialization हमको केमिति हमें सोसाइटी रे बिहेव करिबा, केमिति हमें सोसाइटी रे कोप अप करिबा, कोऑपरेशन करिबा, से सब जिंसटा हमें सोशलाइजेशन प्रोसेस रु ही सिखिताउ. द प्राइमरी सोशलाइजिंग एजेंट्स, प्राइमरी socializing agents enables the individual to develop the self intention and expectations to choose the significant others from the many who come his or her way. It also means that the individual is also excluding some while selecting the other. जेतबेले हमें माने एठी सोशलाइजेशन प्रोसेस टा काहे की आवश्यक ना, इट कैपेबल द इंडिविजुअल हाउ टू लिविंग इन अ सोसाइटी एंड हाउ टू कोऑपरेट कैन socialization process. But they are effective only if a person gives any relevance to their pressures. There are also comparative reference groups that form the periphery of social existence. जेमती कि हमें secondary socialization कौन देखुचु ना, in the secondary socialization, which is latter phases of socialization that occur in the life of the individual, it would be a partial shift from the individual used to be acquiring new skills and knowledge to keep oneself update with the new changes. हमें निजु को new changes बा new circumstances, new environment रे update रहिबा पई जेतेबेला हम new skill गुडा develop करू, new knowledge acquire करू, and it to have come about the life of the individual. It is the core of the personality. तमाने हमें जदि कहिबा personality development पई कि socialization रो निहाती भाबरे गोटे आवश्यकता रहिछि, and it will be stable during the lifetime. more or less हमें जदि कहिबा ए जिंसटा हम सहित lifetime पर्यंत रहि थाए. थर्ड कैटेगरी आसुची ग्रुप रे हम गोटे जिंस देखिलु. एठी देखिबा इन ग्रुप और आउट ग्रुप. व्हाट इज इन ग्रुप एंड व्हाट इज आउट ग्रुप? An individual, first we will discuss an in group. When an individual is the product of contribution of many people, जेतले तमे गोटे इंडिविजुअल हिसाब रे सोसाइटी रे आसुचो सेतेबेले कोन निजे एकुटिया हे जाय पारुची कि नो, इट इज द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मेनी पीपल. नोन पीपल हे पारे, known and unknown, whose influence goes in making of the person. ता माने जहार प्रभाव तम ऊपर रहिछि, known person हे पारे, unknown person भी हे पारंती. So with some people we interact communicate, with whom we share a bond. आमे कहा सहित bonding share करिबा, to whom we share an intimacy, कहा सहित आमे intimacy create करिबा. But there are others with whom we rarely meet. एमती भी अछंती जो बहुत कम अछंती जो थरे आमे rarely meet करिथाउ अलगा मानक सहित. With the latter we have a functional relation, and anything more than that with them would be an intrusion into the private space. So the introduction of maintaining distance emerges one with whom a person is close, known, and the other with whom a person has only have a specific functional relation. तापरे आसुची, even in the group it depends as to a range of proximity, mental है पारे, physical, mental and physical proximity कथा एठी depend करूची. The sense of fellow feeling depends on individuals to perceive others like themselves who have their own respective objectives and goals. So this we feeling come with empathy, and when we feel ourselves in between a group, आमे जेतले निजो को गोटे ग्रुप रो बोली भाबू, within that group, that denoted as a in group. Within a group तमे निजो ग्रुप भितरे रहुचो ताको मैं कहूछु इन ग्रुप. किंतु आउट ग्रुप कोड ना एठी इन ग्रुप रो जेमते एग्जांपल दबा फैमिली, जेमते कि जोठी म्यूचुअल सॉलिडारिटी अछि, mutual awareness achi, common binding achi. So it is concluded, it is defined as in group. Out group kaha को कहा जाउची ना, out group होची जोटा कि they group आमे जहा को कहूछु, when we don't have any contact with impersonal contact, बा आमे कहूछु जे एटा हला मो family, that is included as in group. सेटा हला तांकर family, that is they group. बुझी परछो. So in group कहले the group where I belong, but out group कहले the group where I do not belong. ता माने मु जोटी रहू नाही, that is denoted as a they group. And in group होची जो group, जो tribe, जो family, जो tribes भितरे बा जो area भितरे जो group भितरे मु निजो को find out करूची, that is denoted as my in group. अच्छा, तापरे आसुची next in group out group परे आ गोटे concept अछि sociology रे, stranger. What is stranger? Stranger कहले हमें कौन बुझुछु ना, the stranger is nothing but an unfamiliar person. जेते बेले गोटे familiar person हेले हमें तांको stranger कहनु. Stranger माने जानिछु माने अपरिचित व्यक्ति. Unfamiliar person को हमें कहूछु stranger, but who happen to be in the world we live. That means the stranger is a person who belongs to no known category. Known जानिथिबा लोकन को मानन को stranger कहा जाय नाही. जो माने अजणा अपरिचित तांको ही हमें stranger कहूछु. In more open spaces, the concept of stranger becomes less well defined as in a city. The city is marked by the breakdown of familiar relationships. So stranger बेसी हमें कोठी कहूथाउ का city रे कहू काहे कि ना एठी breakdown of familial relationship थाए, and groups that may also lead to a situation of normlessness. So thus groups maintain social values and norms in spite of being instrumental in creating differences. So differences themselves may not be wrong as long as diversity is accepted and not made a matter of inequality or stigma. So एठी हमें गोटे जिंस देखिलु, stranger होची कोन, the person which is unfamiliar with us, that person is denoted as a stranger. तापरे आउ गोटे आसुची together and apart. What is together? Na social groups that are functional in maintaining social unity and stability are of the kind that we call a community. Community रे हमें को प्रकार देखुछु, togetherness टा को हमें एठी फोकस करूछु. A community provides a secure place for the individual, which is often also focusing of identity and social well-being. Identity और social well-being हमें जो थिर पाई थाओ ताको हमें कहि थाओ together. जोठी कि loss of community leads to a feeling of being rootlessness and is often cause of mental anxiety and even antisocial behavior. It very strong communities also create a barrier between the people. The social groups are conducive to both keeping the people together and also keep them apart. तामाने आमे जे देखिबा सोशल ग्रुप टा कोन करूची दीटा जिंस हम भीतर क्रिएट करूची गोटे होची टुगेदरनेस आ गोटे होची अपार्ट आइदर आमे मिसी की रहउछु नले हमको अलगा भी छाडी करि दिया जाउची सो इट ता माने नुह जे सब बेले टुगेदरनेस हम मेंटेन करूछु एंड सब बेले अपार्ट भी आसुची एठी आमे सोशल वेलबीइंग और आइडेंटिटी ऊपर ही कोन कम्युनिटी बिल्ड अप करूछु community build up रे हमें दीटा जिंस देखुछु there have very strong communities which also creates a barrier between the people and it will lead to social groups which are very conducive to both keeping the people together and also to keep them apart so eta gala pare next time dekhiba sociology and other disciplines sociology and other disciplines re what is the idea of Mills CW Mills CW Mills will focusing upon the types of practicality and the bureaucratic ethos तमे एठी दीटा जिंस देखिबा गोटे होची टाइप्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिकलिटी कोन कहउचंदी आ गोटे होची ब्यूरोक्रेटिक इथोस कोन देखो बिले द मेन प्रॉब्लम इन सोशल साइंस इज वन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिविटी एंड पर्सपेक्टिव the very choice of a social problem to study is one that involves choice that itself may be dictated by a bias. What may seem important to one person may not hold that much importance for another. जोटा मो पाई important वर्तमान that may not be important for you. तमाने तम पाई वर्तमान सेटा important न हेई पारे. सो एटा पर्सन टू पर्सन वैरी करूची हाँ कि नहीं समस्त पाखरे एका प्रकार इम्पोर्टेंस रेखा जीव नहीं सो दिस वाज द रीजन दैट पोस्ट कॉलोनियल थ्योरी began talking about gender bias and other forms of bias. Moreover, it is also important that the manner of approaching a problem may also be different depending upon the internalized values of the analyst and is often demonstrated the analysis itself is never fully objective. Social issues become really pertinent to be studied only when they are studied. Social issues टा माने दरकार होची केते बेले जेते बेले स्टडी रो आवश्यकता पडुची बा सोशल इश्यूज हम स्टडी करूची जेते बेले when they are studied without any conflict of values that means एठी कुहा जाउची जे it is almost impossible to achieve as most people carry unconscious biases that they themselves may not be aware of it instead of solutions or problems one may be led to the intellectual power. The social scientists works within the given framework of this their context accepting the society as it is society जेमिति सही हिसाब रे ही social scientist study up करिवे ता माने न जे society को अलगा करी के हमें किछि study up करूजो. The social scientist is also a member of a society and is socialized into set of norms and values that may be difficult to transcend but which may be possible to recognize. It is तामाने हमें को एटा डिफिकल्टी आसीबा हमें पूरा हटे देबा पई किंतु एटा पॉसिबल हबा हमें ताको फाइंड आउट करबा पई रिकॉग्नाइज करबा पई it is only by recognizing these inherent values that one may hope to transcend them तापर हमें केमिति चेंज करि परिबा जदि हमें सोशल इनहेरेंट वैल्यूज सहित कोन करि परिबा वैल्यूज को रिकॉग्नाइज करि परिबा देन जेमति कि एग्जांपल जेंडर बायस ता जो थिला बा जेते मात्रा रे थिला ताको वर्तमान हमें किछि ता सहित कोन करूछु वी आर रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द सोशल वैल्यूज ऑफ जेंडर बायस एंड इन द सिमिलर वे माने धीरे धीरे हमें ता कोन करूछु ट्रांसेंडेंट भी करिबारे पॉसिबल होछु सोशल साइंटिस्ट्स आर आल्सो ट्राइंग टू ट्रांसेंडेंट द जेंडर बायस. So these days studies are mostly undertaken to please the power holders and those who control the resources for the conduct of research जेमते कि मिलिटरी पर्सन हुंतु सोशल वर्कर्स हुंतु बिग कॉर्पोरेशंस हो प्रिजन हो द मार्केट ऑफ सच रिसर्च इज आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे. So there is also research done for ideological reasons such as to prove or disprove a particular political standpoint, feminism or environmentalism is are the example of this. So एतिके हमें जानला परे then concern here comes what is applied sociologists कोन applied sociologists are more concerned about only what specific clients wants to know. Applied sociologists generally shift from public to specific. General ru semane specific ku study of karanti ba mass ru ame gote specific angle ru study of kale taku ame कहूछु applied sociology ba taku je study of social scientist को ame कौन कहूछु applied sociologist. Thus, the use of abstracted empirical research can be made of use if it is under an institution and which has funds to process it. For as the work proceeds, there would be corporate control over the division of labor. There is huge setup of people involved in this form, intellectual administrator to research promoters to young recruits. तापर हमें देखुछु the role of academicians introduces works and also maintains its flow of critics. Reputations are created by the help of the cliques to ensure that the appearance in social circle. Hence, cliques determine the strategies. The utilization of social scientists for the enhancement of bureaucratic purposes has limited the intellectual and philosophical scope of this discipline. So the control that the bureaucracy has on the values and ideas of precisely anything that can be thought of is also contributive as to a control of history. The use of language is also curtailed and prescribed. The bureaucratic control over the sociological research is thus counterproductive of intellectual growth as well as against social justice. So again, आमे एठी देखिबा what is the Mill's uses of history. C.W. Mill कर आउ गटे uses of history टाकू कोन कहा जाउची. Now, the sociological involvement with history is in looking at the social transformations over time and into the history of social institutions. For example, a sociologist in India would be interested in the evolution and past of the institution of like caste. ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ caste ର example ଦବା history ଉପରେ କଣ social scientist ମାନେ find out କଣ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ନା they are focusing upon the history of social institutions like India re jodi ame dekhiba how the evolution of caste is formed up and also the and past of the institution like caste ର past institution कौन कौन थिला ताकू भी हमें एठी देखुछु हिस्ट्री को यूज करले ए सब जिंस हमें एनालिसिस कर दैट इज द एग्जांपल फ्रॉम इंडिया ओनली. There is also interest in studying the social life in particular historical epochs like for example Victorian England or 17th century France. There is no doubt that there are problems in the method used. हमें जो method use करा जाउची ता धरे भी problems नथिला बोली कहा जाय परिबो नाही. The task is to keep the records right. हमर major task कोन हमें से record टाकू right way रे form करिबा and though there might be possible that changes brought about are based on biases of certain interest and so saying that history can be distorted is not wrong. Thus the correctness of historical facts is important. Sabu bade ame historical facts ro correctness upare we should focus upon the correctness of historical facts. The task of historian is of utmost importance. So the work of the historians are important as it contains all aspects of social sciences. For in all social studies, one needs to have an historical viewpoint of the problem or the area. So there is always an assumption when historians from one world goes to study another area. There is possible that he begins to compare, but there is need of historical materials even if we are not doing comparative studies. So history adds the required depth of sociological analysis and provides a backdrop to the current social situations. तामाने history टा खाली sociological analysis रा depth study जदि हमें करिबा पई चाहिबा we always need the help of history and it also provides a backdrop to the current social situation. Current social situation रो गोटे backdrop हिसाब रे भी हमें history को use करि थाउ. So next, coming to our next way concept or next topic, that is denoted as in what way sociology looks at reality. Sociology reality टाको को way रे आम पाखरे पहुंचौଛନ୍ତି तो sociology टा in what way sociology looks at reality को sociology को way रे justify करूची. So first ame again meal कर concept रू किछि देखिबा. Meal कहउचंदी meal focuses on the human variety. Undoubtedly we are also, before going into the meals concept of human variety, we will also imagining that there are varieties of humans in society, हाँ कि नहीं. So the historical realities tells us that there is a variety of social systems. जोठी social system variety अच्छी and social structure भी variety अच्छी. So the first and foremost task in comparing them is to keep an unbiased attitude. We should compare that varieties in an unbiased attitude. A sociological perspective puts all societies on the same scale in terms of values and only grades them in structural terms like complexity and demography. So social scientists has been conducted, social scientists has been concerned more about economic and political institutions. कोटा उपरे बेसी फोकस करूचंदी economic institutions and political institutions. Historically, and these have given helpful insights into the working of society and its institutions. So social structure can be defined differently, but the basic understanding, it is the combination of institutions classified according to the functions in each performs. So एठी हमें contemporary terms रे जदि देखिबा, social structure is seen as a political state. एठी हमें political state हिसाब रे social structure टाको contemporary periods रे देखुछु. The nation state dominates the world and the life of every human. The nation state dominance टा वर्तमान world उपरे चलेछि and also the life of every human. So contemporary sociology cannot extricate itself from the study of the nation state and how the power of the nation state permeates society. तो आमे आकु छाड़ी contemporary sociology आकु भी छाड़ी की study करा जाई परिबो नाही. We will also focus on the study of the nation state. So in studying society, the sociologists also concur with the social anthropologist, whose task is also to study the society. Economists who study social relationships and contemporary economists are deeply embedded in the social relations and norms and values of society and thus have similar interest as sociologists. The political scientists also study society and its power relationships, and in contemporary times there is a lot of convergence between sociology and political science. So it is understood that the variety in social life has enabled the social scientists to divide the work. तो आमे वर्तमान सोशल लाइफ रो को जिनसटा को सोशल साइंटिस्ट देखुचंदी ना द डिवीजन ऑफ वर्क. There is mutuality in disciplines, though there might be disagreements, as well as the respect that all disciplines have originated in their own way. Even though there is an increasing acceptance of disciplines overriding each other, there is also an acceptance that disciplines have influences each other. Discipline भी हमको प्रत्येक discipline रा प्रभाव भी रही when we studied the in a sociological perspective. So Mill का study परे आमे देखिबा बर्मन करा values of action ऊपर से कौन कहउचंदी. Bauman told that values originate from culture. Values ro origin kotu culture and received the wisdom of generations. They may change to some extent with wider social interaction, but some core values always remain static. तामाने कौन ना values बमन का हिसाब रे sometimes it may change when we have a social interaction. जेतबे social interaction होची, social relationship होची, values टा change हुए, किंतु some core values always remain constant in society. The shift in values may affect the way in which the person aspires for certain goals. For example, ଯଦି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ example ନେବା, one may grow up with putting a high value of education, but later in life it may shift towards higher values, towards acquisition of wealth. ତା ମାନେ କ'ଣ ନା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜଣେ growth ହଉଛି ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖୁଛୁ, with putting a high value in education, we will focusing upon the values in education, but later life ରେ ଆମର କ'ଣ ହଉଛି, ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ values of education ଟା shift ହେଇଯାଉଛି towards the acquisition of wealth accuse କରିବା ପାଇଁ କି ଆମେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ତା ଉପରେ ଆମ focus ଟା shift, value ଟା shift ହଉଛି. So some actions are justified automatically by the internalized values and do not involve any attempt at making a choice. Others may be debated as one comes under outside influence. I mean outside influence गुड़ा भी values उपरे किसी रही थाए बा तार impact भी values उपरे पड़ुचे. A person is more likely to be affected and undergo a change in values by someone having more authority. जेतबे authority आसी कथा आसी जाए सेते बेले भी तमरो values रे changes किसी आसी जाए, either a person or author or institution authority. For example, a teacher in school or a political institution, the more legitimacy a source has, the greater influence it is likely to have. So legitimacy is bestowed by the society. Traditional values holds a legitimation which is time tested. Traditional values गुड़ा time tested है. Traditions have a historical context and a text. The acceptance of such values hold more authority than the recent ones who have to prove themselves, and in times of changes the former hold the ground reality. So what is at stake is the defense required for new values. Persons with charisma can only forge ahead with the new values in comparison with the ordinary people initiating something new and getting it accepted. So the legitimate source can change over time, such as the change from religious preachers to television personalities. बुझिपारछ जिंस जेतेबेले आमे ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यूज रो बा लेजिटिमेट सोर्स रे चेंज आसुची सेतबेले कोन होउची, जेमति कि हम देखि परिबा किछ रिलीजियस प्रीचर माने चेंज हे जाउचन जेतेबेले टेलीविजन पर्सनालिटी को बुझियो. So Max Weber identified three types of authority कथा कहउतले. गोटे होची the traditional, आ गोटे होची charismatic, another one is rational, legal rational. So legal rational authority एठी बेसी फोकस करूछु काहे कि the legal rational authority is one are those who have the legal rights and the rational and legitimate source to deliver their authority. For example, a person has to prove his or her ability to become a judge in a legal court. But once appointed, the opinion of a judge has the final authority. Legal rational authority टा कोन गोटे final authority सेते बेले आसी जाउची जेते बेले once one appointed the opinion of a judge. सेते बेले हमें सेटा को final authority बोली कहउछु. So these three types are only the analytical constructs and in actual situations may easily overlap, producing different kinds of effects. एतिकी गला परे एबे हमें आउ गोटे देखिबा बमन कर सोशियोलॉजिकल आई कहले कोन बुझुछो. व्हाट इज द बमन सोशियोलॉजिकल आई? सोशियोलॉजिकल आई माने सोशियोलॉजिकल एंगल कोन ना. सोशियोलॉजिकल आई और एंगल इज द proposition put forward by Bauman about developing a sense of analyzing what is going around us with a more critical and evaluative perspective. बहुत critical perspective और evaluative perspective से ताको analysis करूचंदी. Once we develop a sociological perspective, we tend to get a more rational view of things that happens around us. Thus, supposing there are riots, then a sociological perspective would enable us to get to the root causes rather than assigning blame arbitrarily or based on our biases. The sociological perspective enables us to get nearer to the truth. Sociological perspective हमको help करूची कौन? We will be very nearer to the fact, nearer to the truth. It can be surmised that sociology teaches us the art of life. Sociology teaches us the art of life. It enables us to be rational as well as predictive to some extent. It also helps in complete understanding of the object under study. So बमन को हिसाब रे sociology helps us in a complete understanding of the object understanding study. We will be very clear cut, we will be very clear about our study, what is our understanding about the study. आमे ता विषय basic clear cut analysis टा हम पाखरे पहुंची पारुछु. The next C.W. Mills करो philosophies of science कोन. Now there is a confusion regarding the relationship between science and social science. सबुले कोने confusion create हुए science और social science भितरे. Science and social science as the former तामाने science is supposed to be objective आमे जानिचु and rigid in its procedure, and social science is supposed to be more open and liberal in its application. Okay. So however, social analysts using the sociological imagination in the work has avoided any rigid procedures. So सबुबेले social science रे rigid procedure गुडा को sociologist माने avoid करि थांती. काहे कि the methods जेमति कि theory has to do above all with paying close attention to the words one is using, especially their degree of generality and their logical relations. So one who has mastered method and theory becomes a self-conscious thinker. For a classical social scientist, methods are methods and theories are theories. क्लासिकल सोशल साइंटिस्ट मानकर ये कौन जे मेथड ही माने मेथड, थ्योरीज माने ही थ्योरीज माने कहउछन. बट फर्स्ट हैंड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम एंड सिचुएशन इज व्हाट मेक्स अ साइंटिस्ट अ वर्किंग सोशल साइंटिस्ट. साइंटिस्ट डज रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन थ्योरी एंड मेथड यूज्ड इन द स्टडीज. तामाने जतरे हमें दीटा जिंस को सब बेले फोकस करिबा, दैट इज थ्योरी एंड मेथड. तामाने there can be no shortcut understanding of method or methodology. एटा मिल को हिसाब रे a sense of problem or desire to solve what is required. There are also efforts in knowing advanced methods, advanced methodology कोन ताकू भी हमको जानिया पड़िबो, and the scope of close interaction between method and work. When we talk of empirical verification, one has to talk the fact and how to get ideas and facts put together. More important is to know what is it that needs verification and how it is to be done. एटा केमिति हेछि तार verification दरकार करूछि आ एटा किपर how एटा केमिति करा जाय पारिबो. When compared with grand theory and abstracted empiricism, the former uses the deductive verification method, while of the latter, what to verify is not a serious issue. So the problems addressed rests upon the methods, theories, and values, and it is of known fact that there are no ready answers to the questions. What is required is an understanding more than a solution. For a effective sociological approach, the problem addressed should include various public issues and should bring out the causal connections between the issues and social structure. दीटा भितर सब बेले causal connection गोटे रहितिबा दरकार. So my dear learners, in our first unit we have discussed how we see things through the sociological angle. आमे जिंस गुडा को केमति गोटे sociological perspective analysis करा जाउची perspective रो. And in this regard, we have also discussed the contributions of two prominent sociologists. तांकर contribution भी हमें किछि एठी discuss कलु, जेमति कि जिगमंड बमन करा आउ C.W. Mill करा. To understand the various perspectives of sociology, we have also discussed various concepts of sociology in everyday life and how we observe, interpret, and validate sociological perspective through the sociological methods. आमे एते डिटेल सबु यूनिट 1 रा थिंकिंग सोशियोलॉजिकल एटा आमे डिस्कस करू. Then again I will move to your next unit which is denoted as emergence of sociology and social anthropology. तमरा यूनिट 2 टा डिनोट करूची emergence of sociology बजा को हमें कहबा history of sociology और social anthropology. दीटा जिंस को हमें एठी 1 by 1 डिस्कस करिबा. आमे जानिछु sociology and social anthropology are closely related in many aspects. They both are denoted as a twin sisters. Sociology and social anthropology ta closely related ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଆମେ କହିଥାଉ as twin sisters କୁହାଯାଏ. In fact, social anthropology is the closest discipline of sociology. Sometimes it is rather difficult to differentiate sociology from social anthropology in some areas of inquiry and methodology. Kichi inquiry or methodology perspective re, it's very difficult to differentiate between sociology and anthropology. Despite the similarities, the emergence of sociology and social anthropology has different historical roots. Social anthropology is said to have emerged somewhat earlier than sociology. Sociology tharu ago develop heithila social anthropology. From the very beginning, it was very difficult to differentiate between the subject matters of the two disciplines. Dita discipline ra subject matter ta ku differentiate kariba, it's quite difficult. Both the disciplines trace back to the several centuries ago. However, both emerged only in the 19th century as an academic discipline. As we go through the unit, we shall find the varying historical developments of the emergence of the two disciplines. These are historical emergence ta bartaman ame dekhiba. So first we will go discuss on emergence of sociology. In order to understand the emergence of sociology as a social science discipline, it is imperative to understand the socio-economic, political and scientific factors. आमे तीनटा एंगल रो फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड करबा पय पड़िबो. गोटे होची सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एंगल, आ गोटे होची पॉलिटिकल एंगल, आ गोटे होची साइंटिफिक फैक्टर्स. ए तीनटा फैक्टर हिसाब रे हमको देखिबा को पड़िबो. Western Europe in the 18th and 19th centuries witnessed rapid and profound changes. अधिका चेंज आसिला in 18th and 19th century रे. This led to a paradigm shift to the understanding of society and also of the individual's place in it. Considerable advances were taking place in terms of scientific discovery and scientific methodology. Natural sciences, though still in nascent stages, began developing systematic methods for the study of physical world. The question that occupied the minds of early sociologists, like early sociologists mane ko mane Comte huantu, Durkheim huantu, could a similar scientific and systematic approach be applied to the study in the human social world? So scientific and technological advances led to the transformation from a traditional rural agrarian society to a modern urban industrial society. So scientific and technological advancement ro ame kono dekhuchu na transformation heichi tamara traditional rural agrarian society ru modern urban industrial society parjanta. Due to the new inventions, as we will study later, the scale of production changed from small home-based to a large-scale factory like enterprise. Alongside such developments, there are also widespread social, economic, and political changes that had a profound effect on West European societies, including major political upheavals. So these extensive changes, though central to the process of industrialization and modernization, rather created a paradoxical situation. Paradoxical situation kona na paradoxical situation kota ko denote karuchi je it because kahiki na because it was marked by hope and despair simultaneously. So hope because of transformation of social, economic, cultural, political aspects of life. Au gote hochi tamara modern society that fostered human creativity and rationality was in a perpetual state of disarray and chaos. So sociology as a distinct discipline emerged in the background of the intellectual and material social changes that has taken place in the latter half of the 19th century. So 19th century re sociology ra development hela. We shall discuss some of the factors which contributed to the emergence of sociology as an academic discipline. फास्ट हमें देखिबा एनलाइटेनमेंट पीरियड कहा को कहया गला द एनलाइटेनमेंट पीरियड और द एज ऑफ रीजन जाको हमें कहू एज ऑफ रीजन वाज ए पीरियड ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट which brought about significant changes and in the philosophical thought in Europe in the 18th century. Many existing ideas and beliefs relating to social life were overthrown and replaced during this period. जो पुरुना ideas existing ideas गुड़ा थिला ताको एटी overthrown कला और replace करा गला ए period रे. And the most prominent thinkers associated with the enlightenment period was Montesquieu, Rousseau. एमाने होचंती most prominent French philosophers जो मानकर ideas of thinking ए period रे sociology रो development रे बहुत helpful रहिला. This period marked a radical change from the then existing philosophies of feudal Europe. The social and moral orders were no longer considered as divinely ordained, or आमे जदि कहिबा individuals became increasingly rational and critical. The roots of such ideas as the belief that both nature and society can be studied empirically, the human beings are essentially rational, and that such a society built on rational principles will make human beings realize their infinite potentials, which was seen as a result of the industrial and scientific revolutions, which got firmly established during the period of French and American revolutions. तो अबे प्रथमे देखिबा scientific revolution कौन. Europe produced a scientific revolution in the Renaissance period of 14th and 16th century, which was marked by a new attitude towards man and nature. तामाने scientific revolution ने कोटा हमें देखिलु ना it developed a new attitude towards man and nature. So natural objects became the subject of close observation and experiment. The impact of this revolution was crucial, therefore, not just in changing material life, but also the ideas which people held about nature and society. Some major developments of these scientific revolutions were revolution and the movement towards heliocentric theory, जोटा कि आम साइंटिफिक रिवोल्यूशन आम देखा जे को गुड़ा न्यू एटीट्यूड ऑफ मैन एंड नेचर रो डेवलपमेंट करा जायछि. सो एठी आम देखुछु इट बिगन टू परफॉर्म ओनली पोस्ट रेनेसां which helped people better understand the functioning of human body, and it also led to the challenging of the old ideas. It challenged the old ideas and suggestions of the alternatives. किछि suggestions भी रहिला किछि alternative पई old ideas रा. These alternatives, however, were only accepted if they could be proved and repeatedly verified. Else, new solutions were sought. Scientific method therefore became regarded as an accurate and objective method. So, scientific method टा गोटे accurate method और objective method हिसाब रे ए industrial कौन एटा हला scientific revolution ने हमें देखिबा पई पाइबे. तापर आछि सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक चेंजेस इन द 19th सेंचुरी इन यूरोपियन सोसाइटी रे. सेतिरे प्रथमे आसुछि फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशन. द फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशन ऑफ 1789 marked a turning point in the history of human struggle for liberty, fraternity and equality. ए तीनटा जिंस पई फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशन करा गला. Liberty, fraternity and equality. It put an end in the age of feudalism and which ushered in a new order of society. An important contribution of this revolution was the far-reaching changes that is brought not only French society but in societies throughout Europe. जदियो एटा फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशन बट एटा केवल फ्रेंच सोसाइटी को माने अफेक्ट कर नथला चेंज आन नथला बट इन द सोसाइटीज थ्रूआउट द यूरोप. इवन डिस्टेंट कंट्रीज in other continents such as India, जदि हम इंडिया कथा देखिबा भी although it is a distant country, we are also influenced by the ideas generated during this revolution. इंडिया भी ए जो आइडियाज गुड़ा आसिला फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशन ता द्वारा भी प्रभावित हेतिला. Ideas like liberty, fraternity and equality which now form a part of preamble of the Constitution of India. आमे जानि छु एटा हम constitution ର ଗୋଟେ preamble ଅଛି ଓ they are origin to the French Revolution କିନ୍ତୁ यार origin ଟା ଆମେ French Revolution ରୁ ହିଁ ଆଣିଛୁ. So France, like other European countries during the 18th century, had entered the age of reason and rationalism. Major philosophers whose ideas influenced the French people were rationalists who believed that all true things could be proved by reason. एटी किछि फिलोसोफर रहिले तांकर आइडियाज कोन कहूची ना सब थिंग्स गुडा all true things could be proved by reason द्वारा ही प्रूव करा जिवो. ସେମାନେ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ମଣ୍ଟେସ୍କ୍ୟୁ, ଜନ୍ ଲୋକେ, ଭୋଲାଟାଇର ଆଉ ରୁସୋ. ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଆଇଡିଆଜ କୁ ଫୋକସ କରାଯାଇଛି. ଇଟ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଦ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଅଫ ୟୁରୋପିଆନ ସୋସାଇଟି ଆଣ୍ଡ ରିପ୍ଲେସ୍ଡ ଦ ଏଜ ଅଫ ଫ୍ୟୁଡାଲିଜମ ବାଇ ହରଲାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଦ arrival of liberal democracy. These writers were particularly disturbed by the resulting chaos and disorder, especially in France, and wanted to restore the order in society. Some of the more extreme thinkers of this period literally wanted to return to a peaceful and relatively orderly days of the Middle Ages. The more rational thinkers recognized that social change had made such a return impossible. So another development of the late 18th and early 19th century, which also greatly shaped up the context for sociology to emerge, was the Industrial Revolution. Next revolution ela Industrial Revolution, French Revolution pare. Industrial Revolution was not a single event. Eta gote single event ku neki nathila, but it refers to a set of interrelated developments that led to the transformation of the Western world from a largely agrarian system to an overwhelmingly industrial one. It began around 1760 AD in England and brought about great changes in the social and economic life of people. Initially in England, प्रथम एटा इंग्लैंड रे स्टार्ट हला किंतु later spread to the other countries of Europe. In Europe, especially England, the discovery of new territories, explorations, growth of trade and commerce, and consequent growth of towns have brought about an increase in the demand for goods. During the Industrial Revolution, new tools and techniques were invented which could produce goods on a large scale, invented by James Hargreaves, led to speeding of the production activity. Production activity बढ़ेवा ପାଇଁ जेम्स को द्वारा एठी कोन इन्वेंट करा गला how to produce on a large scale basis. तापरे this led to a change in the economy from a feudal to a capitalist system of production. Subsequently, a new class of capitalists emerged who controlled this new system of production. Due to this revolution, society moved from old days of handmade goods to the new age of machine made goods. Society kaha ko move kala? Old days handmade goods को shift करा गला machine made goods पाखु को एटी shift हला. This shift is the beginning, or we can say the emergence of Industrial Revolution. What are the impact of Industrial Revolution on society? Now, with the changes in the economy, several changes in the society followed, like capitalism became more and more complex. The developments of bank, insurance companies, finance corporations took place. New class of industrial workers dekhadele, managers, capitalists emerged. The peasants in the new industrial society found themselves with thousands of other people like themselves. With the increase in production, population started increasing. Rise of population accompanied by massive rural to urban migration, which led to urbanization. The industrial cities grew rapidly. These industrial cities were marked by huge socio-economic disparities. The changes concerned both conservative and radical thinkers. The conservatives feared that such conditions would lead to chaos and disorder, while radicals like Friedrich Engels felt that the factory workers would initiate the working class revolution, which leading to social transformation. They also agreed upon the importance of new working class. It new working class emergence hela. Thus, important schemes of industrial revolution which concerned the early sociologists were the conditions of labor, transformation of property, urbanization, and technology. तापरे हमें देखिबा the rise of sociological theory. Sociological theory रो development केमती हला. As we saw in the beginning, जेतोळे हमें प्रथमरु देखिलु at the time when sociology was shaping up as a subject intellectual framework was being witnessed in Europe in the form of Enlightenment period. This was a period of remarkable intellectual development and change in philosophical thought. Out of the consensus arrived at by the Enlightenment thinkers about the changes taking place in the society, the chief intellectual precursors that led to the emergence of sociology were firstly the philosophy of history, that is recognition of the fact that society progress in stages through the society development, and that because of the presence of this pattern laws to understand society too can be formulated. Secondly, we will also find out the emergence of quantitative method of social survey as a method of sociological inquiry. Social survey came to be recognized as a tool. Social survey denote करूची as a recognition of social tool develop करिबारे एटा माने हमको help करूची how we develop the different theories or different techniques, tools and techniques रो केमती हमर development एठी करा जाउची तापरे हम एठी focus करूचु, and we will also focusing upon the different profound and revolutionary changes that has led to the establishment of a highly impersonal urban city life completely devoid to any community bonding, and advocated a return to the peace and stability of the previous times. To that extent, sociology, with its emphasis on society as a unit of analysis rather than the individual, the recognition of the various parts of society are interrelated and interdependent, and the stress on ultimate harmony and stability in the society can be said to be influenced by conservative reaction. The Enlightenment and conservative thought combined to create the science of sociology. The Enlightenment period और conservative thought दीटा मिसिकी ही science of sociology रो developed कला. Also, these intellectual stirring were not isolated from the social milieu prevailing in the 18th and 19th century in Western Europe. तो एठी हमें again तापरे we will discuss on emergence of social anthropology. तापरे social anthropology रो केंते development हैला. Now the subject matter of anthropology and its academic profession began as an intersection of natural science and humanities. Social anthropology being a part of anthropology, its emergence has been historically linked with the development of other components of anthropology. The emergence of social anthropology has also been closely linked with other disciplines of the social sciences. Social anthropology रो development आउ किछि sciences सहित भी closely linked रहितला, such as sociology, philosophy, ethnohistory, history, psychology ए सबु जंका सहित भी political science, economics interrelated थिला. But the closest discipline of social anthropology कोटा, that is sociology. The closest discipline होची social anthropology रो, that is denoted as sociology. In view of the highly differentiated subject matter of anthropology, it is rather difficult to comprehensively locate the strands of intellectual development and the emergence of this discipline. Like sociology, the emergence and development of anthropology is said to be directly linked to the scientific development in the Western world. If one considers the existence of the term anthropology, many centuries ago, then anthropology is very old subject. आमे जानि छु anthropology is very, जदि हम देखिबा anthropology is a word which the ancient Greeks Greek रे ही एटा यूज करा जाउथला. To them माने एठी Portuguese आउ wrote different consequent parts of Africa. There also there is some anthropological source study material भी हमें देखिबा पई पाइछु. There are also some besides these writings, there are also some travelers and others like the and Rousseau's speculations concerning the noble savage indicate the change in the intellectual climate. So the foundation of anthropology has also been dated back to the Roman Renaissance period, particularly beginning with the writing of Herodotus. According to Vogt, Herodotus has been even cited as a likely forerunner, if not the father of ethnography. In fact, Herodotus is mainly remembered for his history of Persian wars. ए सबु जंक हिस्टोरिकल आउ एथनोग्राफिकल आउ एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल स्टडीज को बेस करी करा जाउतला. सो थॉमस हॉब्स prior to this mention may be made of significant contributions of Ibn Khaldun in the 19th century AD. जेहेतु anthropology टा बहुत आगरू माने डेवलप हेची prior to sociology, so it is described various centuries ago. हमें जो देखिबा on the moral, historical, philosophy and structural functional analysis of social phenomena. So the foundation of anthropology has also been dated back. तापरे एबे हमें phase of development देखुछु. First phase of development केबे हैला ना by the 18th century AD, after the experience and influence of the Renaissance in Europe. There were many eminent philosophers who have made immense contributions to the understanding of society, including Rousseau. बहुत eminent philosophers रहिले तांकर contribution understanding of society उपरे फोकस करिसेंती. रूसो हुंतु, विको हुंतु, बैरोन दे मॉन्टेस्क्यू हुंतु, जॉन लोके हुंतु, who dealt with the social phenomena, सामाजिक घटनावली उपरे समाने अधिक फोकस करिथिले. These earlier works certainly laid the philosophical foundation for the development of social sciences and the science of human society, including sociology and anthropology. The contribution of the earlier philosophers and scholars has certainly contributed to the emergence and development of anthropology. Although they cannot be called anthropology per se, the development of anthropology and social science, which makes departure to the earlier philosophical and historical studies, came into two phases. So gote phase रे हमें देखिलु कोन on the nature of social anthropology. He states माने एठी देखा जाउची that there is broad division of opinion. एठी opinion differ करूची between those who regard social anthropology as a natural science and those who regard social anthropology as a humanitarian science. Social anthropology को किछि लोक opinion तांकर रहिला it's a natural science, and others have the opinion that it is a humanity science, a humanitarian science हिसाब रे consider कले. This division is perhaps at its sharpest when the relation between anthropology and history being again discussed. जेतले anthropology और history relationship को discuss करा गला तापरे पुणी again आर डेवलपमेंट उपरे फोकस करा जाउचे. एटा गला फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. सेकंड फेज ऑफ डेवलपमेंट हैला 1840 रु 1890 भितरे. देयर वाज द ट्रांजिशन इन द नेचुरल साइंसेस फ्रॉम ए स्टैटिक इक्विलिब्रियम मॉडल टू ए डायनामिक मॉडल. गोटे इक्विलिब्रियम मॉडल लु गोटे डायनामिक मॉडल पर्यंत बा स्टैटिक मॉडल लु डायनामिक मॉडल पर्यंत ट्रांजिशन हैला. एंड इट्स व्हिच इज denoted to the theories of Darwinian evolutionary theory. Darwinian evolutionary theory ru develop hochi. With such a different field of anthropology, an attempt was made in the 1860s for integrating into general anthropological discipline that would engage on the early history of man. By 1870 onwards, 1870 ru agoku, A distinctive character of anthropology began to manifest itself by unifying physical anthropology, pre-history and ethnology. ए तीनटा जिनस यूनिफाइंग करा जाउची गोटे होची कोन फिजिकल एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, प्री-हिस्ट्री एंड एथनोलॉजी. This period marks the emergence of anthropology into an academic discipline. It is through the inspiration of the different social scientific scientists or scientific methods in the physical and organic domain. 19th century anthropologists believed that socio-cultural phenomena are the discoverable lawful principles. जेमते कि एनलाइटेनमेंट पीरियड रे एठी हमें यूनिवर्सल हिस्ट्री ऑफ मैनकाइंड, विजन ऑफ द यूनिवर्सल हिस्ट्री ऑफ मैनकाइंड को फोकस करा जाउची. हाउएवर it emerged as an academic discipline only in the 19th century. किंतु 19th century रे it is discovered as a emerged as a academic discipline. The significant factors for the emergence of the discipline is however attributed to the various intellectual and socio-political changes taking place in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe. Some of the important influences include the French Revolution and the Industrial Revolution in Europe. जदि तार सेकंड फेज रे डेवलपमेंट रे हम देखुछु तापरे आसुची तमर एमर्जेंस ऑफ मॉडर्न सोशल एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. हाउ द मॉडर्न सोशल एंथ्रोपोलॉजी डेवलप्ड. Now the emergence of modern social anthropology emerged mainly with the contribution of Malinowski and Radcliffe Brown. But Radcliffe Brown and Malinowski ଙ୍କର contribution, the development of emergence of modern social anthropology रे बहुत अधिक बा तांकर कंट्रीब्यूशन टाको हम एठी बेसी कंसीडर करूछु. Marcel Mauss is also generally considered as the pioneer of modern social anthropology in France. So Malinowski is one of the most well-known social anthropologists. In fact, he is generally regarded as the founder of modern social anthropology. से तांको modern social anthropology रो founder बोली कहा जाउची Malinowski को. His main contributions to modern social anthropology was the introduction of ethnographic method with participant method or participant method and participant techniques, and founding of the theory of functionalism, departing from the earlier approaches, particularly evolutionary and historical approaches. So Malinowski significant work को गुडी को रहउची तांकर केते गुडे major contributions अछि like Agronauts of Western Pacific, Crime and Custom in Savage Society, a Scientific Theory of Culture and other essays. These are the Malinowski's works. A.R. Radcliffe Brown is also one of the founders of modern anthropology along with Malinowski. He is well known for his theoretical approach. So Malinowski's approach he is generally focused upon an ethnographic method of participant method. Malinowski is well known for his theoretical approach, generally which is called as structural functionalism. His theory was developed with the conceptual ideas of Emile Durkheim and his ethnographic field data and experiences. Field data experience also Brown was influenced by the ideas of Emile Durkheim. So his significant works included as the Andaman Islanders, a study in social anthropology, other contributions like structure and function in primitive society. एगुड़िक है Radcliffe Brown करा major contributions. तांको परे आउ other किछि sociologist social anthropologist अछंती including like Levi-Strauss into the list of the founding theory of structuralism and structural anthropology. He is also regarded as one of the most influential thinkers in the 20th century on the subject of myth, culture, religion and social organization. His significant works include तांकर भी बहुत गुडे माने major contributions रही like the elementary structures of kinship और structural anthropology एगुडा सबु कण Levi-Strauss कर work. There are also many anthropologists who contributed to the development of modern social anthropology. but they come either later or on a follower or of the lower strategy. So एठी हमें देखिबा the emergence of anthropology as a discipline can also be reckoned through the formation of professional associations. How? Now, the Aborigine Protection Society, formed in 1837, was the first anthropological association to be established. It a first anthropological association hela 1837 re, which is known as the Aborigines Protection Society. तापरे होची तमरो द अमेरिकन एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल एसोसिएशन व्हिच वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 1902. द अमेरिकन एसोसिएशन फॉर द एडवांसमेंट ऑफ साइंस recognized ethnology in 1851. So these are the development of history by development phases by हमें देखिबा development करा जायछि social anthropology रो. तापरे हमें आसीबा who are the what are the contributions of pioneers of social anthropology? The major pioneers of social anthropology, among others, also included Louis Henry Morgan, Louis Henry Morgan, John Fraction McLennan, Adolph Bastine, and Sir Edward Burnett Taylor. Emane be famous anthropologists, social anthropologists. They were soon followed the anthropologists such as Franz Boas, James Fraser, James George Fraser, W.H.R. Rivers. They are the famous social anthropologists which developed the field anthropology, and there are also many other anthropologists who made significant contributions to the founding and development of anthropology, particularly social anthropology. Social anthropology को develop करिबा पई बहुत pioneers बहुत experts बहुत हमें social anthropologist माने अछंती, and their contributions are very significant in for the development of anthropology. The important contributions of Henry Louis Morgan to the development of social anthropology are, among others, his study on kinship system, from which he developed the evolutionary stages of society. His important works include system of consanguinity and affinity on human family, eta hochi Morgan karo study, as well as the ancient society, which is also included as the Morgan study. These two works also greatly influenced Karl Marx to develop his theory of class and historical materialism. जेतले तमे again Karl Marx कर theory पढ़िबो सेठी से एटा ए theory को use करिथिले for his development of class and historical materialism. तापरे आछि फ्रिक्सन मैक्लेनन a Scottish ethnologist, से होचंदी गोटे Scottish ethnologist. Main contribution to the development of social anthropology was the study of customs based on marriage system in the pre-literate societies. Pre-literate societies रो marriage system को सेठी study करिथिले. His book is a renowned book known as Primitive Marriage, was a significant contribution to the understanding of marriage in the pre-literate societies. Tapre and other works like he was also focused upon the new terms such as exogamy and endogamy, the patriarchal theory, the studies in ancient history. These are also the works of McLennan. Another famous exponent is Adolph Bastien, a medical turned ethnologist. He is regarded as the father of German anthropologists. His well-known book appeared as 3 volumes. Tankara book hela Man in History, which promoted views on human psychology and cultural history. Human psychology or cultural history पर से focus करिसेंदी. He opposed the idea of biologically distinct races and formulated the principle of psychic unit of mankind. से psychic unity of mankind को focus करिसेंदी तांको study रे. Sir Edward Burnett Taylor, who is generally regarded the founder or father of cultural anthropology, is mainly concerned with theories of cultural evolution and diffusion, origins of religion and magic, his conceptual definition of culture, and cultural survivals are still recognized till today. He stands out as the most eminent anthropologist among the pioneers of social and cultural anthropology. Some of his main works include researches into the early history of mankind and the development of civilization, primitive culture and anthropology, an introduction to the study of man and civilization. अच्छा एतिकी जिनस आमे जो देखिलु आमे जदि याको समरी वे रे करिबा व्हाट आर द डेवलपमेंट और द इमर्जेंस ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी एंड सोशल एंथ्रोपोलॉजी रो समरी रो देखिबा जे the historical development in which they were evolved also had a convergence and divergence in its thrust area of inquiry, particularly in the scope interest areas, theories, methodology and practice. This is due to the fact that both sociology and social anthropology study human society and largely share their theoretical problems and interests. तामाने एठी sociology हो कि social anthropology हो दीटा जंका subject focused upon the study of human society and they largely share the theoretical problems and interests behind the subjects. Theoretical problems कौन रही interest कौन रही ताको focus करूची sociology और social anthropology. So this is also the reason why social anthropology is considered by many scholars to be a part of sociology. So ethipai social anthropology and sociology are considered very closely connected or very interrelated subjects. Aw jaha ko ame kohuchu ki they both are the twin sisters, which is also called as a branch of sociology. Social anthropology ko ame gote sociology ro branch hisab re nohuchu. So anthropology and sociology were founded with the significant elements from the natural sciences in one way or the other, although the subject matter of anthropology, particularly due to the components of physical anthropology and anthropology of বিভিন্ন parts भी अच्छी physical anthropology हो, archaeological anthropology हो, exceeds sociology in terms of its linkage with physical sciences. आउ किछि जिनसरे भी से sociology थारु किछि अधिक study up करिथाय. In terms of emergence, social anthropology is said to have emerged somewhat earlier than sociology. While the immediate factor for the emergence of sociology is attributed to the various factors, particularly the industrial factor, socio-political factor, intellectual movements in Europe, and the emergence of social anthropology can be mainly attributed to the intellectual quest for understanding the other. So, however, the difference between the sociology and social anthropology, even from the early years, is more on the application level and setting priority of studies rather than at the level of scope, concept, and method. So एतिकी सब होची तमरा sociology और social anthropology रो development which is based upon theoretical framework किछि रहउची ता दरे तमरा phase of development रहउची revolutions देखुच French revolution, scientific revolution, industrial revolution. एठी हमें generally emergence of sociology टा को देखुछु factors कोन रहिछि ता पछरे as well as the rise of different sociological theories केमते develop हैला. And also we included emergence of social anthropology kono takku भी focus करूछु. We'll also discussed on the phases of the development of social anthropology, different phase रे केमती social anthropology रो development हेछि takku भी एठी हमें find out करूछु. We'll also focused on the pioneers of social anthropology, different exponents social anthropology रो exponents माननको कथा भी हमें discuss करूछु. We'll also focus on the emergence of modern social anthropology. Modern social anthropology रो केमते development हैला ताकू भी एठी हमें देखुछु. So in general जदि overall हमें देखिबा sociology and social anthropology they both are closely related in many aspects. बहुत aspect रो different aspect रो study of कले sociology और social anthropology टा closely inter related. In fact, ame social anthropology hochi gote closest discipline of sociology. Closest, it is anthropology is considered as a closest discipline of sociology. Sometimes bele bele eta dekha jaye it is rather difficult, jodio eta difficult face karuchi to differentiate between sociology from social anthropology in some areas of inquiry and methodology re jodio eta ame difficulty rekhuchu, but both the disciplines are relatively young even within the social sciences, kintu both the subject kon young social science हिसाब रे हमें को नौचु. Despite the similarities, the emergence of sociology and social anthropology has different historical roots. विभिन्न माने दीटार historical roots आमे जो analysis करूछु different रहिछि ना कि एका प्रकार रो historical roots दीटा subject रे रहिछि. Although social anthropology is said to have emerged somewhat earlier than sociology. Sociology ठारू किछि before বা prior आगो social anthropology develop हेछि, earlier develop हेछि. From the very beginning it was very difficult होतला to differentiate between the subject matters of the social anthropology and sociology. Kintu while the emergence of sociology is relatively easier to trace, emergence of sociology ta ame bahut easily ame trace kari parucho, but the emergence of social anthropology, which is also included as a matter of integrated anthropology or physical anthropology. Anthropology ro branch ta ete adhika achi, which is more complex than sociology. Sociology apeksha eta complex branch of study, but our study ta relatively mane complex thila in comparison to sociology. Both the discipline trace back to several centuries ago. However, both emerged in the 19th century. Dita janka 19th century re jadio develop hechi as an academic discipline hisabre. So we will also we have also discussed the different historical developments of the emergence of these two disciplines. ए दुटा discipline रा भी हमें emergence देखिलु, historical developments phase wise कौन करा जाइछि ताकू भी देखुछु. किंतु हमें जेतेबेले sociology को understand करिबा पई देखुछु, in order to understand the emergence of sociology as a social science discipline, so it is imperative to understand the socio-economic aspect, political aspect और scientific aspect. हम तीनटा aspect रो देखुछु. socio-economic aspect रो कौन करा जाउछि, political aspect रो कौन और scientific aspect रो कौन. Scientific और technological advances led to the transformation from a traditional rural agrarian society ru वर्तमान हमें to a modern urban industrial society पर्यंत transformation कौन हेछि ताकू भी हमें एठी find out करूछु. आउ गोटे due to new inventions, as we will discussed, the large scale production changed from small home based to large scale factory like enterprises. तादरे भी परिवर्तन बा transformation हमें देखिए पाउछु. Alongside such developments, there are also widespread developments like social development, economic development, and political development, as well as we have also discussed the social changes, economic changes, political changes, which have had a profound effect on Western European countries, including major political upheavals. यदिओ पॉलिटिकल ऑफेबल्स रहिथिला किंतु तादर कोन कोन परिवर्तन भी आसीछि ताकू भी हमें एठी फाइंड आउट करूछु. इन ओवरऑल जदि हमें कहिबा ए सबु दीटा जंक साइन क्लोजली इंटर रिलेटेड आउ दीटा जंक हमें एनालिसिस कला बेले तार हिस्ट्री रो गोटे कॉम्प्लेक्स एंथ्रोपोलॉजी टा को स्टडी अप कला बेले इट इज क्वाइट कॉम्प्लेक्स देन द सोशियोलॉजिकल पर्सपेक्टिव रो एटा किछि अधिक अछि. आउ आमे एठी emergence of sociology रो आमे तीनटा एंगल सोशियो इकोनॉमिक पॉलिटिकल आउ कण तमरा टेक्नोलॉजिकल एंगल रो स्टडी अप करूछु. आ emergence of anthropology ता तमर फेज वाइज फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ डेवलपमेंट रो थ्योरिस्ट माने एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट माने को माने सेमानकर व्यू पॉइंट कोन, मॉडर्न एंथ्रोपोलॉजी रो केमति डेवलपमेंट होची तार ओपिनियंस कोन. सो जनरली हम जदि कहिबा दीज आर द हिस्ट्री, these are the emergence of these subjects. emergence by history रे कोन कोन हेतिला सेही जिंसटा हम आज जानिलु in your unit 2 of BSOC and 101. बुझि पारला कि enlightenment period বা তোমার social anthropology. Is it clear?
Thank you very much, ma'am.
If you have any... Yes, sir. Thank you.
Students, any doubt? Students, any doubt? Any query? So thank you very much. If you have no doubt, then we will wind up the session. So tomorrow, 5 p.m. again you will join for the next class. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.